How to set wallpaper on Snapchat for free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on the chat section at the bottom of the screen and then select any chat or any profile that you want to set the wallpaper for. I'm going to select over here, and simply what you need to do is tap on the profile. As a tap on profile, you can see under the our chat category, you can see the option of wallpaper. So tap on wallpaper, and here you can see different options for your wallpaper. You can also use pictures from a gallery or a camera roll or anything that is saved in a chat, but I'm going to select on from this one only, and let me select a random one over here. So let's choose one of these over here, and then you can just see the preview over here as well. Then if you like it, you can just tap on confirm, and let's get back to check, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.